Following months of uncertainty, the XRP price chart now displays some undeniable clues. The Ripple digital asset might be about to explode in value, according to the charts. If you have been waiting for the perfect timing to purchase XRP or are uncertain about whether to hang on to your holdings, this could be that time. Are significant patterns and signs that could indicate a potential rising trend in the price chart. These signs, which are backed by real data from the chart, indicate that the XRP is gaining pace and are not based on speculation. As an investor, how does this impact you? This video will explain in depth why you should hold on to your XRP and why its price might be poised to rise. A close examination of these signs right now for those who enjoy delving into technical analysis. XRP's price chart is now presenting a captivating story. You already know that charts aren't lying to us, and right now what we're witnessing is a surefire setup for potential gains. There is substantial evidence of a bull market from the RSI Relative Strength Index moving averages and support resistance levels. Pattern. In the following weeks, XRP's price can potentially surge if these signs materialize. The possibility that this price action indicates a transition from flat to strong uptrends makes it a highly sought-after indicator by traders and investors. Understanding the interplay between these key indicators can help you predict XRP's next big move. A single indication: why is everyone so bullish on XRP right now? There are a lot of signs that suggest prices are going up. Not only are analytical indications and market speculation playing a role, but there are also several real-world variables impacting the price, such as Ripple's continuing legal struggle with the SEC and its expanding collaborations with financial institutions. XRP seems to have a brighter future thanks to an upbeat price chart, impending regulatory clarification, and rising use. It appears like XRP might be preparing for a big rally based on market mood and chart patterns. But hoping for a price hike isn't the only thing. Making good use the chart's data-driven insights to improve your financial selections. To understand the significance of these indicators and how they may position XRP for future gains, let's look at the chart's messaging. It is clear from XRP's current market performance that the asset has been very volatile in the months after seeing significant changes in value. The current sideways trend in XRP's price might be the calm before the storm, judging on its holding pattern. The cryptocurrency industry as a whole has been experiencing volatility due to factors such as global economic developments, regulatory concerns, and market sentiment. Yet XRP has shown remarkable resilience despite these challenges. These external factors, despite the fact that many digital assets have seen significant declines, inspiring investors to anticipate a possible breakout. XRP has remained quite stable. To refresh everyone's memory, XRP's price fluctuations have been greatly affected by the U.S. Secret Service's allegations that Ripple, the company responsible for creating XRP, has been selling off assets that have not been officially. The market position of XRP has remained robust despite these challenges, and investors are beginning to perceive a glimmer of the regulatory landscape evolves and further details become apparent. The result is a great deal of price fluctuation as XRP's future was shrouded in mystery. The trust of financial institutions and investors has been restored, which could contribute to its revival. Recent market attitude surrounding XRP also indicates an increasing feeling of optimism, since there is a likelihood that the SEC case may finish in Ripple's favor. And XRP is being used more and more for cross-border payments. A lot of people think XRP will be a big deal when it comes to global money transfers in the future. Currently, XRP is being used by legal obstacles aside. XRP is finding more and more applications as more and more payment providers and financial institutions work together to provide cheap and fast international transfers. Market performance is often affected by both internal and external factors. In addition to the present XRP, despite the legal issues, the market is showing signs of a more positive long-term outlook. In what ways does this impact potential investors? A price increase may be possible as a result of the perfect storm of increasing institutional interest, a waning legal cloud, and XRP's solid fundamentals. You can't deny that XRP might be about to undergo a major price change. These elements, in addition to the solid technical analysis we will provide, suggest that XRP is about to explode above its present level. If you've been keeping tabs on XRP's performance, you should pay close attention to the signals that suggest big gains could be on the horizon. We may check the chart's accuracy via notifying us of these potential benefits and what the technical indicators reveal next. One of the most reliable ways to predict how the price of any cryptocurrency will fluctuate in the future is to look at charts. The XRP chart is now showing a number of significant indicators that could lead to a significant price change in the near future. Nevertheless, it is essential to always bear in mind that there is no way to guarantee a forecast. In order to help investors keep tabs on the XRP price, we will take a look at the most important indicator that the chart is showing: calculating averages, because they smooth out price fluctuations and provide a clearer picture. Moving averages are staples in technical analysis. Present view of the overall pattern. When the 50-day moving average of XRP's stock price rises above the 200-day moving average, it suggests that the short-term momentum is outpacing the long-term trend, which could lead to a price increase. This is known as a golden cross, a strong bullish signal that traders suggests that XRP might be prepared for significant rally as an uptrend is just beginning. The Relative Strength Index is the next topic at hand. RSA, another important statistic to keep an eye on, indicates the speed and direction of price fluctuations. It can help you figure out if an asset is overbought or oversold at the moment. The XRP's RSI is little under 70, which means it's a pullback may be on the horizon when the Relative Strength Index RSI rises over 70. However, a closeness to 70 is still bullish since it shows strong buying pressure and a rising price, which means that XRP is gaining momentum but still has space to keep rising without reaching a breaking point. The MAC moving average is another crucial statistic to think about. Differences and similarities. A purchase signal is indicated when the MAC line crosses above the signal line. This means that momentum is currently moving upward. The MACD is a momentum indicator that follows trends and shows how asset prices relate to two moving averages. XRP's market cap is shown, but signs of bullish divergence or a shift in momentum